Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I have this thrift haul. It's a combination of a couple of thrift stores, couple of weeks of shopping, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so one of the things that I did get, actually my girlfriend found these at we were at a Goodwill, and these are really cute placemats. We have these for $2.99 at the Goodwill. A total of 4. I thought they were really cute, but they are really cute, and they're clean. They look brand new. Yeah, so I got these at the Goodwill for. That's one of the things I got. Okay, so the next thing I found were these really cute candle holders, but I tried to take this one out. I was being lazy, and I pulled on it, so I have to fix this. But I thought they were really cute. They could probably be re-stained, sanded down. I had picked up other ones, but I kind of like these. So yeah, I ended up getting these. I think they were $4.99 at the Goodwill. So next thing I got, oops, I'm making a mess here, was this tray, and I thought it was really cute. I ended up getting this for $2.99 at I don't think it was a Goodwill, it's like a Salvation Army, but I thought it was super cute. So I ended up getting this, and I think you could restain these. I'm not sure, but I kind of like this look. Doesn't say, let me see if there's a sticker here, but it doesn't say where it's from. It looks brand new, intact, nothing's wrong with it. So I picked up that and out. That was cute. $2.99. Let's see what else. I found this cute little dish, and this is that seashell stuff that they kind of like a shell. So, and it looks like it's just wood. It is really cute. I think I'm gonna put this out in the living room on one of my end tables, or one of the tables. That was really cute. Put keys or something in it. Little trinket tray. So I got that, and that was, I believe it was $1.99. So I thought that was really cute. I found this really cute thing. It could go up in the wall. I thought it was really cute. Love the detail in it. Be on a wall or as a trinket tray also, but I thought it was really pretty. I don't think that might be wood. Yeah, it is wood. So pick that up. Thought that was cute. Next, I found some more wall hanging. I thought these were really cute. These were from the same place, $2. And these are really good because we could restain them, a darker stain. I don't think I'll use these in my apartment, but I will gift them. Got those. And then my friend found really cute coasters. These were $4.99. They're really pricey, a little pricey. But I thought they were super cute. Look at these. No, dragonflies. Aren't they the cutest? So it's a set of, I think 6. 2, 4, 6. All intact. Just need to be clean. But I thought they were really cute. So I got those. And next, actually this little basket was in with like a grab bag of baskets, because I wanted one of the baskets in there, and I think that whole bag was like $1.99. But I will actually show you the ones that came in it, so then I remember what they are. I don't know if I know, I don't know, but there's a couple in that I put out already that came in that bag, and this was one of them. That was really cute. Okay, the next couple items were, I'm telling you, everything's been within weeks that I haven't filmed, so it's not all from one day. It's been a couple weeks that I've gone and gathered some stuff, only because I've been in the hunt for baskets for my basket wall, and I think I've actually found everything I needed, but ended up getting a couple other things. So this was one of the places I ended up finding these really cute color, black and white baskets, and it's a total of 1, 4, 5 for $1.99. These are super cute. So I'm still debating if I'm gonna use this, because I really don't have like black and white colors on my wall. They're more just different tones of brown of the baskets. So I don't know if I'm gonna incorporate one of these in there or a couple of these. Maybe, maybe not. But I thought these were really cute for $1.99. You could use them for gifts, you know. Make a little gift basket. I thought that was really cute. Ended up finding this one, which I thought was really cute, and I think I am going to incorporate this one in my gallery. Try not to use, the space is small in my kitchen, so I don't want to make it too cluttery. So this was $2.99. Oops, sorry. So this one was $2.99. So that was really cute, different, you know. And if not, I could use it for something else. So I got that one. That was like a woven basket kind of material. These were $1.99 at the Goodwill. So so these were kind of cute. I'm always finding these cute coasters that I don't want to part with. I think they're super cute. So I found those. Okay. Now, these were found at the Goodwill. These are also coasters. These, I don't get it. I think I've filmed some other ones that I did find too that were really cute. I don't understand why people are giving them away, but this was kind of pricey. These were $3.99. But look at these. How cute are these Bohemian coasters? Aren't they the freaking cutest things ever? Right? Cute. They come with six of them. Aren't they the cutest thing ever? Oh my god, people. Why would you get rid of these? But I got those. Oh, really cute. Then I found this really cute thing, and I think I'm gonna post a picture up on the page or up above of kind of the idea that I want to do with this Bohemian style Pinterest inspired DIY, and I think I'm gonna do actually a DIY for it, because I actually, this is the exact kind of cross I was looking for, because it has this little ridge here where it will be able to hold what I want to put in there perfectly. So I will put the picture up, that way you guys can see what I am going to make, and look out for my DIY on this Bohemian inspired, Pinterest inspired DIY. So I got that. That was $1.99 at the Goodwill. And while I'm filming, I'm watching Braveheart. Saturday. Okay, next I found a couple baskets. I don't think I'm going to use this one. But that was really cute. I could use it in my work area to put all my, you know, little knickknacks and whatnot. So I got that one. That was a little pricey. That was $2.99. And then I think I found a couple of these. I might have them already with my, the baskets I'm going to use on my gallery wall. But actually on YouTube, I did see a couple of girls actually do designs and paint, which I thought was really cool. I'm going to try that and see how it comes out. So I did get a couple of these. I think there were 2 or 3 of these that came in a pack. And this was $1.99. So if it comes out, maybe I might put in the black and white, because I will use the black paint on here. or like a brick color, just to kind of change up the colors. But I am going to try to do that. And I am going to film my basket wall as soon as I can. It's just been kind of hot. I got to clean that wall up so everything could... See, me being in an apartment, I don't want to make so many holes, so I'm probably going to use some of the command hooks, command strips. That way they, you know, so I got to clean the wall, make sure that the command hooks and all that adhere to the wall. So I will be doing that. Hopefully I get that up tomorrow. That's my goal. Okay, and this is one of the baskets that came with that grab bag of baskets. I thought it was really cute. You could use it for pots, a plant. I think I'm going to put one of the plants in here. But I thought it was really cute. It's really intact. So that came with that, the thing of baskets. And now, the couple of baskets that I am going to use that came in that bag, I have them for my gallery wall. Got that. This is another one of the baskets that I ended up getting too in that bag of baskets. I thought it was really cute, so I put my little cactus in there. I thought it was really cute. So yeah, I ended up getting that. These are the ones my husband got for me in Arizona when he went to Tucson, Arizona. He went to a little, looked like a little flea market that they had out in the middle of nowhere. And he ended up finding these. And he says he thinks they came from a mission out there. And I thought they were really, really cute. I just love them. And so these are going to go perfect on my wall. And so I'm going to end up putting these up there. And I will show you guys how they look. And I think he ended up getting this and something else. I'll show you guys right now for $5. He was on the phone with me. And I'm like, okay, just tell him for those two pieces, give him $5. And yeah, the guy was willing to give us $5 for it. So I was really, really excited about getting these. So yeah, I ended up getting me these in Arizona. I thought they were super cute. Okay, so here's how I added the candle holders to my wall. I had this mirror, actually little shelf up already, and when he came home with these candle holders, I said, I think I know where I'm going to put these at, and they look perfect. This shelf I found at Savers, ended up staining it and adding the mirror to the back, and I stained it an antique color, and it matched perfectly with my candle holders. Love it. This little tray thing, that is really cute. And these come out, and these I think I will use on my other end table for that one. But yeah, I thought it was really cute. And this is what he got with the candles. And a while back I went to a community little thrift store. I don't know if I filmed this one. I don't think I did. I ended up finding this really cute shelf. Look at how cute is this. Right? And it was $8. That was really cute. I still don't know where I'm going to put it at. I did have it by my bathroom, which I think I am going to end up putting it there. But it's well intact. Really pretty. Yeah. Ended up getting that for $8. I really like it. It's really cute. Okay, so here I picked up this really cute bamboo ottoman at the Goodwill. I paid $7.99 for it. It has like one little crack, but other than that, it's in really good shape. And that's going out to my goddaughter. Also picked up this really cute wicker end table. And this was also at the Goodwill. And I paid $8 for it. I'm in love with this, but this is going out to one of my girlfriends. Okay, everybody, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I am going to start I'm not going to thrift for a while because I need to sort things out. I'm kind of like hoarding my stuff now, which is not good. and I need to give things away. I need to start putting things out, rearranging and whatnot. So things I don't need, I will give away. Yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. And those of you that are new to my channel, welcome and thank you. Give it a thumbs up if you guys like this video, and leave the comments down below. Alright, so thank you and have a good one, guys. See you guys later. Bye.